of the building. The shape of the object is conveyed through the appearance of the drawing, while the size of the description is expressed in form of dimensions and letters. The Bureau of Indian Standards has recommended various types of lines to specific shape, size and letters for the drafting. There is a particular style in Gothic letters and numbers which should be followed in presentation. Mainly there are two types of Gothic letters: single stroke Gothic lettering and double stroke Gothic lettering. As you can see on the screen, mainly there are two important parts of types of lettering. First is size of letters and second is guidelines. Size of letters. What is the importance of size of letters? The size of letters is described by its height. The height of the letters and numbers for architecture drawing can be selected from 2.5 mm to 20 mm according to the size of the sheet or size of the drawing. The ratio of height to the width varies as per the drawing requirements. Lettering of architecture is generally done in capital letters. Different sizes of letters are used to different purpose. In architecture sheet, generally main titles must be 8 to 6 mm size and the subtitles must be in 3 to 6 mm height. Guidelines for lettering. Why guidelines are necessary for the lettering? All the letters should be uniform in shape, slope, size and in spacing. As you can see on the screen, for maintaining uniformly in size, guideline must be drawn and then lettering can be done in between the guidelines. H or HB grade pencil are used for guidelines. The distance between two guidelines must be uniform. Thin horizontal guidelines are drawn first. Horizontal guidelines should be drawn from left to right and vertical guidelines should be drawn from top to bottom. As you can see on the screen, single stroke Gothic letters with proper horizontal and vertical guidelines. Each block of letters size is 7 cm height by 5 cm width. Small grid of each block is 1 cm by 1 cm and the horizontal and vertical distance between the two blocks are also uniform. So now we will see how to draw each and every letters with the help of guidelines. So let's get started.